upper body rolling. Upper body rolling, now we're going to work on keeping the belly button down, paralyzed, and we're going to work on getting all the motion from the upper body. I'm going to have Steve rolling to his right, so let's go ahead, or rolling to his left. Let's start by raising your right arm. Now, this is our flexion roll, so what I want Steve to do is slightly flex his chin. So raise up. Now I want you to drive your nose into your left armpit and reach with this right arm. Do not use your legs. Roll. Good. Now, it's tough to see on the camera. Steve looked like he was holding his breath on that. That's one thing we want to do here is we want to make sure Steve does not hold his breath and he can control this. That is our supine to prone, and now he just went from prone to supine, belly to back. Let's take this through a few repetitions. Now we got good breathing going on, and it seemed a little bit easier with the controlled breath. Good, so we're making sure belly button down stays paralyzed. Another coaching cue you can use here is I can put his feet on my feet and I can see if he's actually going to drive his leg into my foot in order to complete that motion, getting extra stability from his lower body. We want to make sure both upper and lower body are able to dissociate, rotary stability is firing, and the soft core is doing its job. That is our upper body roll.